สบายดีทุกคนอยู่ฟังเราฟังไทยมาเด้อมากินยอขาวน้ำกันเด้ออันนี้จะเป็นแจ่วหวานเด้อจำกับแจ่วหวานวู้ไปสิเผ็ดโอ้พี่น้องแซ่บThis is Lao Yao Khao. So in here is the savory pork and bean sprout fillings, veggies and herbs. It's wrapped in a rice paper. This sauce is the star of the show. In Lao we call this Jeow Wan. So it's a sweet version of Jeow Som. The sugar is caramelized, like how you would caramelize the sugar in Khao or Tom Kim. So think of this as like a sweet and savory nước chấm, sweet fish sauce. And it's very nutty from the roasted peanut. I'm gonna dip this in the sauce. Go for my first bite. So good. Savory, delicious. This peanut sweet sauce, fish sauce, Jeow Wan. Look at that. It's garlicky savory. With the vermicelli rice noodles and the veggie and herbs, it becomes so well balanced. I like to put extra sauce in mine. Very hard to find at Lao Restaurants, so you want this, you're gonna have to make it. Just like a layer and layer of flavors. You want the recipe? I'll put it in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, pinong, sap. Like to do a pepper per bite. Woo! I see. Hit.